Hello everyone. We are welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. Today is a session of 19, 20 and 21 of World Power Made Easy English Vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. Let's start. The first word of this video is parity. It means the state or condition of being equal. In Hindi you can say samanata. Synonyms of parity are equality, coordinateness. Antonyms are inequality or variation. Example, there is absolutely no parity between the fake diamond and the real stone. Next word, disparity. In previous stream, we have discussed parity. In this, we discuss disparity. A lack of equality of similarity, especially in a way that is not fair. In Hindi, you can say asamanta. Synonyms are dissimilarity or contrast. Antonyms are resemblance, sameness. Example, the next is the disparity between different countries. Next word, disparagement. It means to criticize someone or something in a way that shows you do not respect or value him, her or it. In Hindi, you can say निंदा करना. Synonyms are denigrate and derogation. Antonyms are glorification and appreciation. Example, reviewers have been almost unanimous in their disparagement of this book. Next word, peer. A person who is the same age or who has the same social status as you. In Hindi, it is बराबर होना. Synonyms are compare and antonyms are hinderer. Example, children often take up smoking because of peer pressure. Next word, compare. To examine or look for the difference between two or more things. In Hindi, you can say तुलना करना. Synonyms are equate or liken. Antonyms are differentiate or discern. Example, the only person you should compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. Next word, equivocate. To speak in a way that is intentionally not clear and confusing to other people, especially to hide the truth. In Hindi, you can say गोलमोल बात कहना. Synonyms are hedge, prevaricate. Antonyms are confront. Example of equivocate is the government has equivocated too often in the past. Next word, equivocal. It is giving good reasons for being doubted, questioned or challenged. In Hindi, you can say संदिग्ध होना for being doubted. Synonyms are disputable, doubtable. Antonyms are incontestable and indisputable. Example, the politician gave an equivocal answer. Next word, unequivocally. That leaves no doubt. Spust. Synonyms are clearly or assuredly. Antonyms are ambiguous, equivocal. Example, he stated unequivocally that he knew nothing about the document. Next word, ambiguous. Having an often intentionally veiled or uncertain meaning. Aspast in Hindi. Synonyms are arcane, cryptic. Antonyms are clear or vague. Example, her songs are intentionally ambiguous. Aspast. Next word, ambiguity. A word or expression that can be understood in two or more possible ways. It means दो मतलब निकालना of any word or expression. Synonyms are mysteriousness or murkiness. Antonyms are clearness, obviousness. Example, there is a degree of ambiguity in this statement. Next word, double entendre. A word or phrase that might be understood in two ways, one of which is usually sexual. Do you heard earthy in Hindi? Example, he is a master of the pun and the double entendre. Next word, equity, the quality of being fair and impartial. In Hindi it is nispachhata. Synonyms are impartiality, justice. Antonyms are bias, partiality. Example, they shared the work of the house with equity. Next word, inequity, an unfair circumstance or proceeding. It means अन्याय. Synonyms are injustice, unjustness. Antonyms are justice, impartiality. Example, there are many inequities in our healthcare system. Next word, inequity, an unfair circumstance or proceeding. अन्याय. Synonyms are injustice or unjustness, and antonyms are justice or impartiality. Example, there are many inequities in our healthcare system. Next word, inequity. It means immoral or grossly unfair behavior. In Hindi you can say adharma. Synonyms are immorality or virtue, and antonyms are evil doing or wickedness. Example is, the judgment referred to having no confidence in inequity. Next word, equinox, the time when night and day are of equal length. So example of equinox is, in the Chinese calendar, the spring equinox always occurs in the second month. Next word is nocturnal. It is of relating to or active during the night. In Hindi it is Ratri Sambandhi. Synonyms are night, nightly. Antonyms are daily or diurnal. Example, bats are social, nocturnal, and they migrate to a warmer climate or hibernate. Next word, equanimity. It is calmlessness and composure, especially in a difficult situation. In Hindi it is santulan banana. Synonyms are calmness and aplomb. Antonyms are agitation, frustration. Example, the petty ills of life do not disturb his equanimity. Next word, equability. It is means free from many changes or variations, or uniform. It means एक रूपता in any. Synonyms are balmy, clement, and antonyms are harsh, inclement. Example, the equability of heat throughout the day is marked and relieved by the afternoon sea breezes. Next word, equilibrium, a state in which opposing forces or influences are balanced. It means santulan. Synonyms are balance, counterpoise. Antonyms are instability or disequilibrium. Example, he cannot maintain enough equilibrium to ride a bike. That's why accident occurs. Next word, equestrian. It is a female rider or performer on the horseback. In Hindi it is घुड़सवारी का. Example, they plan to hold the Olympics equestrian events in another part of the city. Next word. So all words are completed. If you like this video, then please like, share, and if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant. And for PDF, you can also join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant. And if any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Thank you so much.